we're going to be going out to Hardpark's car show. It's going to be at S&M Motorsports. We're going to be there. We're going to check it out. But one thing is that this is going to be my final, I would say my last, or the last time with me in this car going to a car meet. I am getting rid of this car. It's kind of a sad moment, but kind of a good moment, because that means that there's new things in store, a new platform for me to build upon, maybe a new car, maybe. I don't know yet, or do I know? But the one thing is that we're going to have fun. We're going to film a couple cars, see what else is out there, see what other people might think. And also, this car is for sale. It's for sale for $3,000, but I could take $2,500 would be my lowest I can go. But the cool thing is that I'm not just selling the car as a modified car. I'm selling the car with all the stock parts too. So if you guys want to take this car back to stock, you can do that. I don't care. Once it's yours, it's yours. But if you guys know anybody, if you know anybody that wants a car in the Elk Grove, Sacramento area, it's here. It's somewhat on YouTube. Everything that has been done is online, so you can check it out. But if you guys have any other questions, just hit me up. But one thing is that it is on Craigslist too. Just to let you guys know, it's on Craigslist. It's 1997 Mitsubishi Eclipse, yada yada yada. You'll see it. It's there. But the cool thing is that this is going to be the last time I'm ever going to be in this car and driving this car or doing a update in this car. So we're going to be moving on to bigger and better things, and we're going to be heading out in just a second. Alright, so the car's going to be parked here. It's for sale. But we're going to go check out a couple places, see what else is around.
I don't remember, because the back's different than the front.
Okay.
I don't remember.
So you're running how much pounds of boost?
14.
14 pounds of boost and front wheel only, not rear. So that's pretty cool, man. So what other plans you got for it?
I gotta finish some more odds and ends here, then probably sell it in a year.
Sell it in a year?
I'm going for twin turbo Supra next.
Okay, so this is gonna probably, you can just sell it for like 30 grand just to get a frame or a body.
Yep.
Hey yo, I woke up this morning to a bright blue sky. Mad inspired, I could write 1,000 haiku lines on that 575. I reside in heaven, I love the state I live in.